Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by BRIC National Institute of Immunology. So let's start the video. Friends, BRIC National Institute of Immunology is a research institute of BRIC under Department of Biotechnology. So they have released the recruitment notification under administrative cadre on direct recruitment basis. So these are permanent vacancies. Her online application are already started from 22nd March 2025 and last date of online application is 22nd April 2025. Friends, we have also covered this vacancy in our weekly jobs update and we are also making a video for detailed notification. So the name of the post is Junior Assistant 1. There are 3 vacancies. You will be in the pay level matrix of level 4. Her upper age limit is not exceeding 30 years as on the last date of application. The qualification asked is graduate with 1 year experience. Knowledge of computer word processing operation is essential. So basically you should be working or have a knowledge of word or computer knowledge is required here. Here out of 3 vacancy, 1 vacancy is for unreserved category, 1 vacancy is for OBC and 1 vacancy is for SC category candidate. Here your job profile will include maintenance of files, putting up case to supervisors, dealing with attendance, leave, LTC, bonus, grant of incentives, probation period, keeping records, office, etc. So basically administrative work is that you will perform, and again your qualification and experience criteria should be as on 22nd April 2025. And here they have mentioned the candidate who are awaiting their final examination result as on 22nd April are not eligible and should not apply. Compensation package, friends, they have not directly mentioned how much will be your basic pay. They are saying that you will get pay as per 7 CPC pay matrix, and your other benefits include DA, HRA, transport allowance, all other allowances as per their rules and policies. Age limit, as I already mentioned, applicant should be between 18 to 30 years as on the last date of application. Here they have specifically mentioned the date of birth, that you should be born on or after. For unreserved category, you should be born on or after 22nd April 1995, and for OBC category you should be born 22nd April 1992, and SC category candidate should be born on or after 22nd April 1990 are eligible to apply. And here the lower age limit is that you should be born on or before 22nd April 2007. So by this you should be born before 22nd April 2007, then only eligible. The reason being, before that date you will be 18 years of less, that's why you will not be eligible in this case. And if you are already working in a government PSU or autonomous body, then you need to produce a no objection certificate at the time of written test. Now application fee, friends, you need to make an application fee of rupees 500, and here they have specifically mentioned that women candidate, SC, ST, PWBD, ex-serviceman candidate are exempt from making payment of application fee. Now selection procedure, very important. Friends, the selection process will consist of 2-stage process. First, there will be written test consisting of objective type questions. It's a OMR based. You will get a paper, you have to circle the correct answer, and there will be descriptive question also. And then there is a tier 2 examination, that is computer word process operation proficiency test. Basically they will check your MS Word skill, whether you are able to type that letter in proper format or not. So they will check that knowledge in the second stage, and there will be negative marking to the extent of 1/4 for each wrong answer. And medium of OMR based written test and descriptive test will be both English as well as Hindi. Date of examination admit card, they will inform that through their website. And friends, exam center will be in Delhi only. Now scheme of examination is also mentioned. So friends, your written test is a OMR based objective type multiple choice question exam. There will be 70 questions and maximum marks will be 70, that is each question will have 1 marks, and duration will be 1.45 minutes, that is 105 minutes will be provided. And the component, that is from the topics or parts of the examination, the first will be general awareness, then general intelligence, then questions from quantitative aptitude will be asked, then proficiency in English or Hindi language. So either English or Hindi depending upon which medium you have selected. Syllabus is mentioned. For general awareness, 10 marks will be asked, which will include questions related to Indian history, art, culture, Indian geography, current affairs, etc. And general intelligence will have 15 marks, which include questions both verbal and non-verbal types, that is analogies, symbolic operations, similarities, differences, word, blood relations, problem solving, etc. Then third part is from quantitative aptitude, 15 marks will be there, include questions on arithmetic. Then proficiency of Hindi or English language, 10 marks questions will be there from that. And then 20 marks from the domain knowledge. Here domain knowledge will consist of your test of knowledge of Government of India rules, regulations related to functioning of administrative accounts and stores. So basically these three areas, they will focus: administration, accounts and stores related Government of India rules and regulations. 20 marks questions will be there from that. And then descriptive test, 30 marks, 1 hour duration will be there. And here they have mentioned that knowledge of Government of India rules and regulations related to administrative accounts and store functioning. Here the subjective questions will be: broadly test your knowledge on LTC rules, bonus, grant of incentives, CCS leaves rules, promotion, upgradation, service books, probation, confirmation, manual of office procedures, reservation in services, GFR 2017, stock verification, procurement through JAM, ledger, budget accounts, etc. So all these areas they will cover in the subjective type. You have to write your answer. These are not objective, these are the subjective questions of 30 marks. So you have to prepare this section only, since rest non-technical part, but this is the technical part that you need to prepare. And your paper will be both in English as well as in Hindi. And standard of question written examination will be of a graduation level, and there will be negative marking to the extent of 1/4. So that's all in this notification, friend. If you are a graduate and having a 1 year of experience, then you are eligible to apply. Here they have not specified which type of experience they are asking. Any experience will work. So if you are having a 1 year of experience, you are eligible to apply for this vacancy. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.